अर्थ के लिए एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए। सो मित्रांनो, जसं की आपण सगळेच जाणतो 22 जानेवारीला अयोध्येमध्ये प्रभू श्रीरामांचे आगमन झाले आणि याच वेळेस भारतात जागोजागी आपल्याला एक भगवा फडकताना दिसला।
तुला माहितीये का की हाच भगवा 350 वर्षांआधी महाराष्ट्रात फडकवला गेला होता। तो मला कशाची आठवण करून देतो? होय, छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराजांच्या हिंदवी स्वराज्याची आठवण करून देतो।
आणि आपल्या सर्वांनाच माहितीये की याच स्वराज्याचं स्वप्न पूर्ण करताना अनेक गडकिल्ले सर केले गेले, अनेक मोहिमा सुद्धा आखल्या गेल्या। याच काही मोहिमांचे नाट्य स्वरूपात सादरीकरण करण्यास येत आहेत टीम स्वराज्य।
तर बोला छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराज की जय, भवानी हर हर।
बोला छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराज की जय, भवानी। आजच्या आपल्या कार्यक्रमात आलेले सर्व इतिहास प्रेमी आणि स्वराज्य प्रेमींचे मी स्वागत करतो। मला तर सगळे ओळखतातच, मी शिवभक्त। आणि आजचा आपला संवेदनशील विषय होईल मराठी वंशाची विरासत म्हणजे जन्मता सूर्य। हे एक अनदेखीले युग, एक अनदेखीले देश, एक अनदेखीले वीर छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराज यांचा अनुग्रह प्राप्त होईल। आजची सुरुवात करूया त्यांचा वीर पुत्र छावा संभाजी महाराज यांच्या जन्मानंतर, जे एका कवितेवरून वर्णित होते। पुरंदर के पत्थरों में हर हर की गूंज थी, अग्नि सम बरसे मेघ भगवी हर बूंद थी, सई माँ के पेट माँ भवानी का सूत्र था, चंचल प्रचंड मानो मन का वो रुद्र था, बिजली गड़की मेघ बरसे मराठों के नेत्र तरसे, देखने शिव शंकर का रौद्र रूप नेत्र भर के, हिंदवी के गर्भ में एक चिंगारी सुलग चुकी, किले गए के दालन से किलकारी गूंज उठी, शेरनी के कोप से एक बालक ने जन्म लिया, शिवजी ने फुटकार वसुधा को भेंट दिया। हर घर में उत्सव, हर पर्वत पर उत्सव, हर पत्थर पर उत्सव, सर्वत्र उत्सव। सबसे पहले छाया उस पे आदि शक्ति का पड़ा, थामने के तेजस्वी शक्तिपीठ था खड़ा, जैसे खड़ी माँ काली पैर में संसार लिए, खड़ी खुद जगदम्बा जिजाऊ का अवतार लिए। छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज की जय।
Hey!
सर्वात महत्वाची संधी म्हणजेच आग्र्याची संधी. त्यात छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराज आणि मिर्झा राजा जयसिंग यांचे योगदान एकमेकांवरचा विश्वास साधून भारताची समृद्धी दिली. चला तर मग मला स्वच्छंद साथ द्या आणि तुम्हाला आग्र्याच्या संधी काळात घेऊन जातो. मिर्झा राजा बडा जयसिंग मुघलांचा हाहाकार पाहून महाराजांनी मिर्झा राजा जयसिंग सोबत संधी करायचे ठरवले. त्या संधीमध्ये महाराजांनी काही किल्ले हे मुघलांना दिले. त्यामुळेच औरंगजेबाने महाराजांना आग्र्याला म्हणजेच दिल्लीत त्यांच्या दरबारात बोलवले.
शिवाजी महाराजांची मान ही फक्त माता आणि मातृभूमी समोर झुकते. राम सिंह, हमारे आगे कौन खड़ा है? गुंडानाच्या कड्या खालून आमच्या मावळ्यांकडून मार खाऊन पळून गेलेला जसवंत सिंग आणि दरबारात याचा दर्जा आमच्यापेक्षा मोठा, हे आम्हाला सहन नाही. स्वराज्यातला भगवा दिल्लीच्या तख्तासमोर झुकणार नाही. और ये तुम्हारा बादशाह और तुम्हारे पिताजी ये अच्छी तरह जानते हैं कि हम कौन है।
क्या हुआ रामसिंह? नाराज क्यों है? इधर देखो।
राम सिंह, हम तुम्हारे बादशाह के सामने नहीं जाएंगे। राम सिंह, आम्ही राजे आहोत राजे, मी आपला दर्जा बरोबरचा, पण भर दरबारात आम्हाला अपमानित करण्याचा बादशाचा हेतू आम्ही जाणलाय आणि आम्हाला सहन नाही।
महाराजांनी औरंगजेबाचा अपमान केल्यामुळे त्यांना एका आग्र्याच्या किल्ल्यात बंदिस्त केले। औरंगजेबाला तो अपमान पचवणं शक्य नव्हतं। त्यांनी महाराजांना ठार मारायचेही ठरवले, त्याचेही नियोजन केले होते। पण आपल्या महाराजांची हुशारी त्याच्यावरची। महाराजांनी संपूर्ण आग्र्यात मिठाई वाटायचे ठरवले आणि त्याच मिठाईच्या डब्यातून पळून जायचेही नियोजन केले। निकल चुके थे कैसे पर जान भी ना छूटी थी, खुद की शान सूरत औरंगजेब से रूठी थी। पकड़ो जिंदा या मुर्दा, काफर बच के राजा पाए, सिर उड़ा दो खुद के ही अगर खाली हाथ लौटाए। बैरागी का वेश पहनकर मथुरा में दोनों जा पहुंचे, नन्हे कृष्ण को साथ लिए वसुदेव गोकुल आ पहुंचे। नन्हे कृष्ण की पीड़ा देख राजे ने मन में ठान लिया, आगे आता संकट उन्होंने पहले से ही जान लिया। दौड़ रहे वो नन्हे पांव मथुरा में ही रुक गए, आगे दौड़ते राजे मुड़ मुड़ संभाजी को देख रहे। क्षत्रियों का शिरोमणि किसी ब्राह्मण के घर पल रहा, नियति ने रचे विपरीत दिशा में समय का पहिया चल रहा। वो सब कुछ नियति कर रही, जो जो नियति से श्राद्ध हुआ। मथुरा में जीवित संभाजी का राजगढ़ पे श्राद्ध हुआ।
सरर होलिका जले, शत्रु राह में मिले हमने, जब जब शमशीरें ताने गए माहे भवानी। आंधियां उठे, शत्रु जड़ से ही मिटे हमने, बात यही मन में ठानी है माया भवानी। हम सब मर्द मावड़े बड़े खुददार हैं, अब हर एक दिन स्वराज का त्योहार
सैन्य हे काही थांबले नाही. मुघलांची सत्ताही वाढतच होती. ह्याच्यावरती एकच गोष्ट महाराजांनी ठरवली, कोंढाणा परत घ्यायचा. आणि मग महाराजांनी कोंढाणाचा लढा सुरू केला आणि आपलं वीर जवान सैन्य कोंढाणाच्या लढ्यात सामील झाले. बांधतो रण संधी पाऊल कोंढाणा किल्ला घ्यावा ताब्यात. अष्टमी मूर्त ठेव ध्यानात. जिजाबाई वसल्या राजगडात. जी आवराले ओ धीरराज जी. आवराले ओ धीरराज जी. कोंढाण्यासारखा बळकट किल्ला मुघलांच्या हाती असणे बरे नाही. ती आपली अस्मिता आहे. प्रणाम केला मातेरा. प्रणाम केला मातेरा. आमंत्रण दिलं सर्वांना. सर्व मावळे लागले कामाला. शेजार मामा होते संगतीला. आणि इतक्यात तानाजी मालुसरेंकडून रायबाच्या लग्नाचं निमंत्रण घेऊन सूर्याजी महाराजांकडे आले. आणि तेव्हा भरतीचा निरोप पटविला. तानाजीला भूमीला गरे गेल गर्याला. आम्ही जातो पगाराला. अबराले ओ धीरराज जी. अबराले ओ धीरराज जी. तानाजी मालुसरेंकडे कळताच ते काय म्हणतात, आम्ही लग्नात बरबाद म्हणून मिरवायचं आणि आमच्या राजाला लढायला जायचं, हे कदापि शक्य नाही. तानाजीने मणी गेला पण आणि दिले बघा वचन. आधी करू लग्न कोंढाण्याचे. रंगाचा लग्न रायबाचे. यावेळी गुण एवढे आमचे जी. अवराले ओ धीरराज जी. अवराले ओ धीरराज जी. कोंढाण्याचे उंच शिखर. कोंढाण्याचे उंच शिखर. रात किरकिर मोठी अवघड. गडावर जावे तरी कस. टाकावे कुणीकडून फासे. आणि इतक्यात तानाजी मालुसरे ही आपली पेटाऱ्यातील घोरपड बाहेर काढली. आणि त्या घोरपडीचं नाव काय होतं माहितीये? यशवंती. यशवंतीचा घोरपड बांध दोरीला. यशवंती कुंकुवात तुला. आज यावे आमच्या मदतीला. गड येईल आमच्या हाताला. वचन दिलंय आम्ही राजाला. मावळे चढती वरतीला. जाग होतो स्वाभिमानाला. असे करून चढले कोंढाणा. चढले कोंढाणा धीराजी. चढले कोंढाणा धीराजी. चढले कोंढाणा धीराजी. उदयभान नावाचा एक राजपूत. ओ उदयभान्या. कोण? तानाजी. हा तुझा बाप तानाजी. अरे इथे काय करतो स्वराज्यात? दिल्लीला चल, मुजरा कर. तुला तिलेदार करतील. अरे हा दिल्लीला मुजरा करणारी हलकट जात मराठ्यांची नाही. एक वेळ मोळे पण वाकणार नाही. मराठा सेनेसाठी आपले बलिदान गेले. म्हणून महाराज शेवटपर्यंत हेच शब्द बोलू लागले की गड आला पण माझा सिंह गेला. आणि म्हणूनच कोंढाण्याचे नाव बदलून सिंहगड केले. आणि त्यानंतर विजयी मराठा सेना कोंढाण्याच्या किल्ल्यावरती भगवा फडकवत होती. आणि अशा माझ्या आऊसाहेबांचा गडावरती आगमन झाले. वज्र
से आपका मन जो है वो बिल्कुल थम जाएगा, दिल को छू जाएगा, आप मंत्र मुग्ध हो जाएंगे। बट ये है कौन? ये है कौन? स्टूडेंट्स में से कोई है? फैकल्टी में से कोई है? या फिर the captain of our ship, the head of our institution, our principal sir. Give a huge round of applause. तालियां बजती रहनी चाहिए as sir comes on the stage. Sir, please. तालियां बजती रहनी चाहिए. That's what I said. Sir, please.
मेरे मन को या तुमने क्या इशारा, मेरे मन को या तुमने क्या इशारा, बदला ये मौसम लगे प्यारा जग सारा, मेरे मन को क्या इशारा, बदला ये मौसम लगे प्यारा जग सारा, मेरे मन को क्या इशारा। तेरे लिए मैं गाऊं, तेरे लिए मैं गाऊं, गीत तेरे बोल पे लिखता चला जाऊं, लिखता चला जाऊं, मेरे गीतों में तुझे ढूंढे जग सारा, मेरे मन को बदला ये मौसम लगे प्यारा जग सारा, मेरे दिल प्यार से मैं भर दूं, प्यार से मैं भर दूं, खुशियाँ जहाँ भर की तुझको नजर कर दूं, तुझको नजर कर दूं, तू ही मेरा जीवन, तू ही जीने का सहारा, मेरे मन को बदला ये मौसम लगे प्यारा जग सारा,
थँक्यू व्हेरी मच.
सो गाइस थोड़ा सा पेस स्लो हो गया है अभी. वील लाइक टू इंट्रोड्यूस द मोस्ट अवेटेड परफॉर्मेंस ऑफ द डे, जो हमेशा क्षितिजम में आग लगा देते हैं
और जिनके बिना हमारा पूरा क्षितिजम पूरा नहीं होता है.
Yes, yes. So, without any further delay, we'd like to introduce the most iconic duo of NHITM. Introducing
Om Menkari.
and Sarvesh Natkar.
Give them a big round of applause, guys.
हुआ छोकरा जवारे छोकरा जवान हूँ मैं लैस हूँ जवानी से चुरा लूं मैं टंके
तुझे धमाकेदार डांस करना है, मैं करवाऊं।
तुम क्या कर लोगे?
तू जानती नहीं, मैं बहुत बड़ा टैलेंटेड इंसान हूं। तू बस घाघरा टाइट कर ले, कहीं गिर गिर ना। चल स्टेज पे आग लगाते हैं।
And now next, सबकी पसंद डांस मास्टर G9। तेरे लिए ही तो सिग्नल तोड़ काट के आया दिल्ली वाली गर्लफ्रेंड छोड़ छाड़ के आया दिल्ली वाली तो सिग्नल तोड़ काट के आया दिल्ली वाली
glamour, talent and charisma. The much anticipated event, Mr. and Miss NHITM.
Tonight, we embark on a journey to celebrate not just popularity or academic prowess, but a fusion of both realms.
In the portrait of college life, we strive to recognize individuals who embody a harmonious blend of charisma, intelligence and personality.
This event is not just about outer beauty, but delves deeper into the essence of a holistic personality.
So let the stage be the canvas and let the contestants paint the picture that goes beyond the conventional norms.
Get ready for a spectacle that transcends boundaries and explores the unique tapestry of talents that make each of our contestants exceptional. May the quest for Mr. and Miss NHITM be a celebration of diversity
and a testament to the rich tapestry of skills and personalities within our college. Let the show begin. Starting off this event, we have the dynamic personality from Mechatronics Department, Agastya Shetty. So Agastya, your question is, describe a situation where you faced a significant challenge and how you overcame it.
क्या बोलती है NHITM? Okay, so the question which I was given was, which was the most significant challenge in my life which I faced and how did I overcome it? Okay, so as you all saw, I am a dancer. So this incident happened 5 years ago when I had a dance rehearsal going on and I met with an accident. I was bedridden. I was said that I can't dance forever in my life again. I was too depressed. I was not able to focus on anything. My grades started falling, which many of you all know now. Okay, so that happened. I was in depression. Darkness was coming all over me. But then, amidst this darkness, the emerging light came. That is my parents. They helped me come over this with their support and their one line which motivated me, which was that I'm not a quitter, I'm a fighter. So I fought and fought. I took regular checkups, I did my exercises, and way too many checkups and exercises were made to be done by me. So what happened after that was, you all can see, I have my own dance company right now called The Dancing Saga, and it's just because of the help from my parents and you all friends, due to which I am here standing amidst you, not as a quitter but as a conqueror. I live by one motto which says that if life gives you falters, don't feel that they are falters. They are just musical beats which makes you dance on the rhythm and makes your soul find its peace. So that's how I was able to overcome the significant challenge that came into my life, and here I'm standing right in front of you. Thank you.
Coming up on stage, representing the Artificial Intelligence and Data Science Department, we call Devang Mahimkar. So here's your question, Devang. If you could have dinner with any historian historical figure, who would it be and why?
First of all, welcome NHITM. Myself Devang Mahimkar from final year BE AIDS. Turning towards the question, what a great question. मतलब डिनर बोले तो I am still hungry. तो डिनर मुझे किसी के साथ भी चल जाएगा, खाने दे दो बस. But coming to the question, if given the chance of having a dinner with a historical figure, I mean we all know many historical figures, but एक ऐसा है जो सबको पता है. जर मी मराठीत म्हणतो तर एक असे आहेत की सगळ्यांनाच माहिती आहे. आपले वन अँड ओनली छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराज. मी छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराजांबद्दल काय सांगू, मी एकदम लहान माणूस तरी सॉरी सेइंग इट इन इंग्लिश. या जनरेशनचं बघताना छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराजांबद्दल इंग्लिशमध्ये म्हणतो थोडं, ठीक आहे. मराठीतच बोलू, बरं डन 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 डन. अरे महाराजांबद्दल इंग्लिशमध्ये काय म्हणणार, मराठीशिवाय आहेच काय. तर छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराजांसोबत डिनर म्हणजे मी बघूनच विचार करूनच मला आनंद होतो, पोट भरलं माझं. ते बरं 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 नाही 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 ओके मी तो जानकारी नाही. ओके so having dinner with Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, it would be so fascinating to understand his leadership style and how he built such a big empire and know the history about Swarajya. I remember this quote by Shivaji Maharaj. He used to say की सर्वात पहिले राष्ट्र, मग येतात पालक, मग देव आणि मग तुम्ही. A leader should always be selfless, and that is the one quality that I would like to nurture in myself, and I want everybody to nurture that in yourself and be good leaders. Before ending, एकदम माझ्यासोबत जयघोष होते. छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराजांचा, छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराजांचा, हर 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 हर. Thank you.
Good one, Deva. That was a humorous way to answer the question.
Next up, representing Mechanical Engineering Department is Rahul Sonavane. So Rahul, your question is, if you were given a chance to address a global issue on a platform, what issue would you choose and what message would you convey?
Jai Shri Ram. Well, my name is Rahul Deepak Sonavane from BE Mechanical. I would like to answer, certainly climate change is one of the major and global issues happening around the world. Today, climate change is a proven science.
Thank you, Rahul.
Representing the other half of the artificial intelligence and data science, we call upon Siddhi Badshah. Siddhi, tell us, if you were granted the opportunity to change one thing about the world, what would it be and how?
Well, if I get an opportunity to change one thing about the world, I would like to minimize the human sense of supremacy. I'd like to see more people learn to cultivate empathy. The important example of this is war. I think Now is the important time for the countries to talk and find peaceful solution instead of wars, which affects vulnerable population, among which children and women are highly impacted. Helping communities by giving them the support they need, for example, safety for women and children, education and resources during wars is very important. By caring about each other, working together, taking responsibility for everyone's well-being is where we can create a world where wars don't hurt innocent lives. Thank you.
That was an intelligent answer indeed, Siddhi.
If AIDS was the leaves, then now it's time for the root of that tree. So put your hands together for Sarth Malankar from Computer Engineering Department.
What's up, guys?
So Sarth, moving to your question. What do you believe is the most crucial skill for individuals to cultivate?
That's a great question. हाँ भाई ये भी तो सही है. Right. Coming to the point. So I personally feel that the most crucial skill that any individual can cultivate is communication. By the way, communication is not just English. It's हाँ भाई कैसी लगी? So communication is basically oneself to. So communication is basically somebody that will be able to express himself or herself in a way that he is able to freely express himself. और एक जाते जाते बस एक लिटिल एडवाइस फॉर माय लिटिल होमीज गाइस, कम्युनिकेशन सीख लो वरना बंदियां नहीं पड़ने वाली है तुम लोग को. थैंक यू, दैट्स मी.
Thank you, Sarth, for the answer, and we do think that communication is key.
Calling up our next contestant, we have Simran Khan from the Computer Engineering Department.
Best place to find the lovers at the bar is where I go. Me and my friends sat at the table doing shots, tripping fast and then we talk slow.
Here's a question for you. Describe a moment when you had to step out of your comfort zone. How did it impact your growth and what did you learn from the experience?
So, good evening everyone. I am Simran Khan from BE Computers. From the past 18 years, I was living in Mumbai, proper Mumbai, with my family. And 2 years back, I moved to Thane just because I got into New Horizon. So, I could consider this as a moment where I stepped out of my comfort zone. Coming to New Horizon really made me realize how vast the world is. Okay, I have met many people here. These people have impacted my life that I will be remembering for the rest of my life. I think I'll be taking various beautiful memories with me and also some lessons I have learned from here, and I'll be taking it with me. Thank you.
Thank you, Simran. That was an amazing answer.
Finally coming from the strong foundation, here comes the civil department. So let's welcome Vipul Dhumal with a huge round of applause. So Vipul, your question is, if you were given the chance to make a positive impact on your community, what initiative would you take?
If you're asking my initiative, मैं तो बोलता हूँ ऑनलाइन एग्जाम्स वापस लाते हैं. सिंपल फंडा है ना, मतलब क्या होगा अभी टीचर्स का भी एक फैकल्टीज एक जेन्युइनली अगर आप अभी एग्जाम्स कंडक्ट कर रहे हो, इट्स क्वाइट डिफिकल्ट कि आप मतलब योर जॉब इज़ रियली डिफिकल्ट बना है रिस्पेक्टिव कि आप आते हो हर क्लास में जाते हो, वो पेपर्स बांटो, क्वेश्चन पेपर्स बांटो, इतना सब इट्स क्वाइट हेक्टिक थिंग और वो मैनेज भी करना पड़ता है. फिर किसी का चिट्स पकड़ो वगैरह, इट्स क्वाइट हेक्टिक. राइट स्टूडेंट्स मानते हो ना. तो ये एक पॉइंट हुआ कि टीचर्स को ज़्यादा करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, बस बैठो ऑनलाइन एक ले लो, अपना कैमरा बंद रहा तो भी चलेगा. बॉयज़ अभी एक सेकेंड पॉइंट क्या है कि पेपर बचता है. कैसे? आंसर बुकलेट आता है 32 पेजेस का, हम कितने पेज भरते हैं? 10 भरते भी हो तुम लोग यार, ये तो बहुत हो गया फिर. तो पेपर बच जाता है, फिर तुम लोग को मिनी जेरोक्स निकालने की जरूरत नहीं और पेपर बच जाएगा. तो थर्ड पॉइंट ये भी है, इट्स एन इम्पैक्ट तो है, पेपर बच रहा है. सो थर्ड थिंग आई वुड ब्रिंग इज, आप ट्रैवलिंग कर रहे हो, इतना ट्रैवलिंग करोगे भी इतना होता है कि गेट एग्जाम है या फिर कोई भी एग्जाम रहे, 2 मिनट लेट रहा, गेट बंद किया, एग्जाम कैंसिल, अगले साल आ जाओ. ऑनलाइन दे दो, टाइम पे आ जाओ, क्या दिक्कत है? सर वाईफाई इशू हो गया. So thank you so much, this is my point.
Thank you Vipul for your wonderful insights.
Last but not the least, the final contestant of the day, we have Juhi Rao from the Civil Department. Emphasizes external appearances, how do you define true beauty? And how can individuals cultivate and appreciate it within themselves and others?
I believe the beauty that stands by its ability is the inner beauty. And no, we cannot cultivate inner beauty because it is already present within us. We are the very part of the Supreme Lord, and I believe that He resides in each and every person. So how can somebody be ugly? Our failures, our comparisons doubt us. But let's believe in ourselves. Let's believe that our challenges and our journey is unique, something which cannot be replicated, something which is supposed to be treasured and not compared. And let's believe that the beauty lies only in the eyes of the beholder. Thank you.
Very truly said, Juhi. As we all know, beauty is much more than skin deep. Well, Shikhar. If you were to judge a person on their personality, what qualities would you see in them?
Firstly, intelligence, boldness, how extroverted they are, their neuroticism, and so on.
And from my point of view, our contestants were together a good blend of it all, weren't they?
Of course they were, and yes, they all had their own uniqueness which stands out. That's the most important.
True, true. So, how do you think would the judges decide the winners?
How would I know? On what basis would they decide the winners? And for me all, I can say it was a close battle between all of them.
ऐसे तो all contestants are winners since they stepped out of their comfort zone and competed for this title, aren't they?
हाँ, पर विनर तो सिर्फ एक ही होगा और एक ही होगी।
Okay, so who do you think is the Mr. and Miss NHITM?
कितने क्वेश्चंस पूछेगी यार? बट ये सवाल मैं ऑडियंस को पूछना चाहूँगा। आपको कौन लगता है?
Okay, let's bring an end to everyone's curiosity. With all the eagerness, I would like to request Anu Malhan ma'am and Mausami ma'am to kindly come on stage to declare the results and felicitate our winners.
Good evening, everyone. So we have the results with us. I believe all the contestants, I think we all should give them a huge round of applause because it takes a lot to represent your department, and moreover they have been nominated by the department themselves. So I feel that each one of them, they did their best, all of them, and they represented with pride. So we have two categories of awards here. One is the Popular Award. So Popular Awards, we have Mr. and Miss again, but it is based on the voting. Am I right? Okay. And the other category, as we know already, that the most awaited, this is the occasion, the most awaited one, Mr. and Miss NHITM. So we'll start with the popular category first.
So let's make an end to it. Mr. Popular goes to Vipul from Civil Engineering.
से सीटी सचे हाथ से ताली लड़की देखी मुंह से सीटी सचे हाथ से ताली सला आईना उस्मा आएगा और आले आले तू अनाड़ी मैं अनाड़ी तू खिलाड़ी मैं खिलाड़ी।
Miss NHITM popular category. Any guesses? So, this is as per the voting, and it is Miss Juhi Raut. And award from Civil Engineering.
Few words like how you are feeling after winning this Mr. and Miss Popular.
नहीं मजाक किया तो होना ही था पूरा 4th year मतलब like since 3 years I guess हाँ मैंने 3 years I'm since DSC काफ़ी enjoy किया these 2 years were quite marvelous अभी 3rd year थोड़े ups and downs हुआ but I had fun and you guys are amazing you are going to carry it I wish you all the best.
Of course, I would like to thank Shubhra ma'am for giving me this amazing opportunity, and thank you all of you for being here and being such a lovely audience. Thank you.
Thank you both of you.
forward the most awaited Mr. and Miss NHITM. So I believe that we should understand the significance of Mr. and Miss NHITM, because these will be the people who will be the brand ambassadors of NHITM, and they should understand the value, because they have to carry the titles with grace and dignity. We'll first announce Miss NHITM.
So Miss NHITM goes to Simran Khan.
Mr. NHITM, any guesses? Mr. Agastya Shetty.
Ahora te toca aprender de mí.
Now I would request both of them to share a few words that how they are feeling right now.
Thank you. I guess I have one more core memory of NHITM to be added in my bank. And thank you very much for this award, for this opportunity.
I would like to thank my faculty, my friends, my family for this award, because it was not possible without them, because they are the ones who made it possible for me to win. Thank you.
Mr. and Miss NHITM. Also to all our contestants, please clap for them guys at least once. Yo, what's up NHITM? Camera इधर है guys. Make some noise.
ये क्या अजीब हरकतें कर रही है निकी? ब्लॉगर हो भाई, ब्लॉगिंग कर रही हो।
सब्सक्राइब यार। ये स्टेज का फायदा उठाकर सब्सक्राइबर्स मांगना बंद कर। ब्लॉगिंग सीखना है तो उनसे सीख।
किससे?
आओ जरा दी ओजी कॉलेज ब्लॉगर सिखाओ इसे कुछ और हमारे ऑडियन्स को भी दिखाओ अपना जलवा।
तुमचं स्वागत आहे नवीन ब्लॉगमध्ये. तर या ब्लॉगमध्ये तुम्हाला कळणार आहे आमच्या मैत्रीबद्दल. जास्त टाइम न घेता सुरू करूया आजचा ब्लॉग. जिंदगी 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 हाँ जिंदगी 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 दोस्तों की दुनियादारी में हंसी मेरी जिंदगी. ऐसा क्या हुआ रे, ऐसा क्यों हुआ रे, हटता है कटन पूरी. थोड़ा कश मार ले, सावकाश मार रे, हल्की हल्की किक बसू दे. सारे गम छोड़ दे, गम छोड़ दे, झूठ नहीं हो तो है मैं जिंदगी का साथ निभाता चला गया, हर फिक्र को हुए में उड़ाता चला गया. मैं जिंदगी का साथ निभाता चला गया, हर फिक्र को हुए में उड़ाता बाला ही गँगच वेगळी, दलिंद्री गँग. हा मोहित याचं म्हणणं असं की माझंच खरं. नंतर आला राहुल. राहुल त्याच्या केसाप्रमाणे विचारात गुंतलेला. हा आपला दादाने बोला करणे का तो करणे का. ही प्राजक्ता ही गँगमध्ये सगळ्यात जास्त बडबड करणारी पोरगी. आता हा आला सागर, याला सगळंच माहिती हो. हे समीक्षा आणि अमन हे टॉम अँड जेरी सारखं सतत भांडतात. आता आले शातीर लोक, मुकेश आणि साटम सतत झोलझपाटी करत असतात.
सॉरी सॉरी म्हणत म्हणत ह्या जगी आला रे, तुम्ही हे कन्फ्यूजन गडबड घोटाला रे, कसका बीस करने में शातिर ये साला रे, झोल झोल करुणी तरी भणभण गोपाला रे. अरे यारी में सॉरी आए करत है, पर अपने सॉरी की तो बात अलग है. ये ढोला कमीना सोचता कमीना, यानी मेरी झोल छुपाऊं जय लय जय, झोल मेरी यानी छुपी है.
ऋषभ माझा खास मित्र. त्याला गँगमध्ये सगळ्या वेगळं अंटर बोलतात. तर सिटीजममध्ये मला समजलं याचं पहिलं प्रेम. हा दिसायला खूप कठोर. ते नाही का बोलतात, वाघाची शिकार एका हरणीने गेली. या वाघाची शिकार हरणीने कधी गेली समजत नाही हो.
आपल्याला बदलायची ही सुरेखा आपल्याला पटलेली हाय. अरे खिडकी वाचून कशी लाजून हसलेली हाय. अरे हसली हसली तिच्या पुंडू हसलेली हाय. हसलेली हाय, हसलेली हाय.
लैला आणि मजनूची सॅडवाली लव्ह स्टोरी सॅडवालीच राहिली हो.
सपना टूटा तो दिल कभी जलता है, हाँ थोड़ा दर्द हुआ पर चलता है. फिर क्या हुआ? फिर क्या? अगले दिन अपने मोहल्ले में
हे रिलेशन वगैरे काय थोडे दिवसाचं, शेवटपर्यंत राहते ती दोस्तीच.
आजी पाहून प्यारा रे तूच माझा यारा, तुझ्यावरचे बार दोस्ता झेली मी. अरे हिम्मत कोणाची वार करण्याची, घराचे बाज टक्कर देऊ आम्ही. तुझी माझी माझी तुझी, तुझी माझी माझी तुझी, आणि माझी ही दोस्ती तुटायची नाही, ही दोस्ती तुटायची नाही. सुटेल का रे हात दोस्तीचा, नाही 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 नाही. सुटेल का रे भागा यारा, नाही 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 नाही. दोस्ती तुटायची नाही, ही दोस्ती तुटायची नाही.
तर गाईज आम्हाला आशा आहे की नक्कीच हा ब्लॉग तुम्हाला आवडला असेल. तर लाईक करा, शेअर करा आणि सबस्क्राईब करा.
यार कितना प्यारा परफॉर्मेंस था. हम सभी को अपनी दोस्ती का याद दिला ही दिया होगा, राइट ना ऑडियंस? मेक सम नॉइज ऑडियंस.
यार माना कि सारी डांस परफॉर्मेंस बहुत ही शानदार, but now I think it's time something for our souls and ears, don't you think?
Do you think our students don't have it covered? Of course they do. And coming up next is a band by our NHITMs, Rhythm Rizzlers. And as they come up on stage, I would like everyone to cheer up. Rhythm Rizzlers, come on guys! Rhythm
तुझ्या तोंडाला तोंड माझं मिळत बघून दुश्मन जळ फार ठकायला लागली
What's with the sweet characters backstage there?
Well, Nikki, now it's time for that part of the event.
Which that and what that?
Okay, answer me. Have you heard? Every day is a fashion show, and the world is your runway.
You don't have to twist it so much, Neha. You could have just said it's a fashion show, which I don't understand why has so much hype. I mean, isn't it the same thing every year? People walking abreast.
The people walking are different though. And let me tell you, fashion has always been the repetition of similar ideas. What makes it different is the people. Not just their clothes or their style, but their confidence and their work. And that is what the hype is about.
Now I understand. Then, without wasting any further time, shall we start it?
Definitely. So audience, with huge round of applause, let's welcome our contestants for fashion show.
Too hot, make a dragon walk for retirement. Too hot, say my name, you know who I am. Too hot, girls hit you hallelujah, girls hit you hallelujah, girls hit you hallelujah. 'Cause Uptown Funk don't give it to you, 'cause Uptown Funk don't give it to you, 'cause Uptown Funk don't give it to you. Saturday night and we in the spot. Don't believe me, just watch. Hallelujah, girls hit you hallelujah, 'cause Uptown Funk don't give it to you, 'cause Uptown Funk don't give it to you, 'cause Uptown Funk don't give it to you. Saturday night we in the spot.
we leave, let me take a little something. Uptown, funk you up. Uptown, funk you up. Uptown, funk you up. Uptown, funk you up. I said uptown, funk you up. Uptown, funk you up. Uptown, funk you up. Uptown, funk you up. Dance, jump on it. If you sunset and flown it, if you freak dead and own it, don't brag about it, come show me. Dance, jump on it. If you sunset and flown it, well, it's Saturday night, we in the spot. Don't believe me, just watch. Come on. Don't believe me, just watch. 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 Hey, hey, oh! Before we leave, let me take a little something. Uptown, funk you up. Uptown, funk you up. Uptown, funk you up. Uptown, funk you up. I said uptown, funk you up. Uptown, funk you up. Uptown, funk you up. Uptown, funk you up. Dance, jump on it. If you sunset and flown it, if you freak dead and own it, don't brag about it, come show me. Dance, jump on it. If you sunset and flown it, well, it's Saturday night, we in the spot. Don't believe me, just watch. Come on. Don't believe me, just watch. 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 Hey, hey, oh!
Give it to me, I'm worth it. Baby, I'm worth it. I'm worth it. Give it to me, I'm worth it. Give it to me, I'm worth it. Baby, I'm worth it. I'm worth it. Give it to me, I'm worth it.
I tell her bring it back like she loves some. Bring it back like she loves some. In the club with the lights on, but you like the shot bar. Come and show me that you're with it, with it, with it, with it, with it. Stop playing, now you know that I'm with it, with it, with it, with it, with it, with it. What you like the shot for?
Just give me you, just give me you, just give me you. That's all I wanna do. And if they say it's true, if it's true, I'ma give it to you. I may take a lot of stuff, guaranteed I can back it up. I think I'ma call you bluff. Hurry up, I'm looking out front. You see me in the spotlight, ooh, whatever your style. Show me what you got, cause I don't wanna waste my time. See me in the spotlight, ooh, whatever your style. Show me what you got now, come and make it worth my while. Give it to me, I'm worth it. Baby, I'm worth it. I'm worth it. Give it to me, I'm worth it. Give it to me, I'm worth it. Baby, I'm worth it. I'm worth it. Give it to me, I'm worth it.
Okay, I tell her bring it back like she loves some. Bring it back like she loves some. In the club with the lights on, but you like the shot bar. Come and show me that you're with it, with it, with it, with it, with it. Stop playing, now you know that I'm with it, with it, with it, with it, with it, with it. What you like the shot for?
Just give me you, just give me you, just give me you. That's all I wanna do. And if they say it's true, if it's true, I'ma give it to you. I may take a lot of stuff. Show me what you got, cause I don't wanna waste my time. See me in the spotlight, ooh, I love your style. Show me what you got now, come on, make it worth my while. Give it to me, I'm worth it. Baby, I'm worth it. I'm worth it. Give me, I'm worth it. Give it to me, I'm worth it. Baby, I'm worth it. I'm worth it. Give it to me, I'm worth it. It's all on you, it's all on you. It's all on you. So what you wanna do? And if you don't have a clue, not a clue, I'll tell you what to do. Come harder just because I don't like it too soft. I like it a little rough, not too much, but maybe just enough. You see me in the spotlight, ooh, I'll be your style. Show me what you got, cause I don't wanna waste my time. See me in the spotlight, ooh, I'll be your style. Show me what you got now, come on, make it worth my while. Give it to me, I'm worth it. Baby, I'm worth it. I'm worth it. Give it to me, I'm worth it. Give it to me, I'm worth it. Baby, I'm worth it. I'm worth it. Give it to me, I'm worth it. Okay. It's all on you, it's all on you. It's all on you. So what you wanna do? And if you don't have a clue, not a clue, I'll tell you what to do. Come harder just because I don't like it too soft. I like it a little rough, not too much, but maybe just enough. You see me in the spotlight, ooh, I'll be your style. Show me what you got, cause I don't wanna waste my time. See me in the spotlight, ooh, I'll be your style. Show me what you got now, come on, make it worth my while. Give it to me, I'm worth it. Baby, I'm worth it. I'm worth it. Give it to me, I'm worth it. Give it to me, I'm worth it. Baby, I'm worth it. I'm worth it. Give it to me, I'm worth it.
Okay, I tell her bring it back like she loves some. Bring it back like she loves some. In the club with the lights on, what you acting shy for? Come and show me that you're with it, with it, with it, with it, with it. Stop playing, now you know that I'm with it, with it, with it, with it, with it, with it. What you acting shy for?
You see me in the spotlight, ooh, I'll be your style. Show me what you got, cause I don't wanna waste my time. See me in the spotlight, ooh, I'll be your style. Show me what you got now, come on, make it worth my while. Give it to me, I'm worth it. Baby, I'm worth it. I'm worth it. Give it to me, I'm worth it. Give it to me, I'm worth it. Baby, I'm worth it. I'm worth it. Give it to me, I'm worth it. Give it to me, I'm worth it. Baby, I'm worth it. I'm worth it. Give it to me, I'm worth it. Give it to me, I'm worth it. Baby, I'm worth it. I'm worth it. Give it to me, I'm worth it. Give it to me, I'm worth it.
The only one, yeah. Am I sexual? Yeah. Am I everything you need? You better rock your body now.
Rock your body, everybody, rock your body right. Streets back, alright. Oh my God, we're back again. Brothers, sisters, everybody sing. Gonna bring the flame, I'll show you how. Got a question for you, better answer now. Yeah. Am I original? Am I the only one?
हमारा ये शानदार इवेंट।
हमीद, ये देख के तो मुझे यही कहने का मन है, so beautiful, so elegant, just looking like a wow.
Beautiful, for sure it was. Elegant, no doubt. But I think I have a better moment than this.
How can we forget that we have kept our best for the last?
Yes guys, the best among us are the one who have given their heart out to make this event a memorable one. And without delaying, let me introduce you to our beloved counseling team. Starting with our sponsor secretary, Amit Yadav.
Junior Secretary Rohan Khairnar and Harshini Hari.
Good. Girls representative, Mrs. Please come.
Joint Girls Representative Pooja Shetty.
Magazine Secretary, Harsh Panchal.
Joint Magazine Secretary Vaibhavi Kamse.
Media Secretary, Arya Borani.
Joint Media Secretary Akarshan Shukla.
Finance Secretary, Narayan Saha.
Joint Finance Secretary Komal Chaudhary.
Sports Secretary, Dhruven Indulkar.
Joint Sports Secretary Shikhar Vishwakarma.
Cultural Secretary, Prithvi Shikhar.
Joint Cultural Secretary Vanshika Kamal.
Technical Secretary, Harshvardhan Reddy.
Joint Technical Secretary Prithviraj Agawne.
Event Management, Deep Mystery.
Joint Event Management Ashutosh Singh.
And guys, last but not the least, it's time for us to call our beloved General Secretary of NHIDM, Mr. Abdul Rahman Bhatti.
Joint General Secretary Mr. Rudra Trivedi.
Give them a round of applause, guys.
So clap कर दीजिए उनके लिए please.
I repeat, the winners for fashion show are Atharva Dhumar and Sana Girish. Can I have a round of applause for them?
विश्वास भी नहीं करेगा मेरा कुछ।
अरे वो कैमरामैन चला जाएगा।
अरे इधर ही जा जा लेके जा तो हाथ से खींच के लेके जा भाई। स्पेलिंग बता वॉलीबॉल का तो सार्वजनिक है हम लोग
For next category, we have the best solo dancer. The winner is Ms. Shravani Patane. I would like to call upon the head of department from computers, Dr. Sharma sir, to come up on the stage to present the award.
भाई award भाई
Next we have the best duet dance. The winners are Mansi and Madhura. I would like to call upon the head of computer science and design department, Dr. Kulkarni sir, to come up on the stage and present the event. We have two winners here, Vlogging Gang and Dance Master G9. Next category we have the best singer, and the winner is Kushagra Rajput. I would love to call upon the head of mechatronics department to come up on the stage and present the event. Next category we have best solo singer, and the winner is Kushagra Rajput. I would love to call upon head of mechatronics department, Mr. Mabare sir, to come up on the stage and present the awards. Next we have the band Rhythm Rislers. I would love to call upon the event coordinator, Ms. Yogita ma'am, to come up on the stage and present the awards. Last but not the least, we have the Best Drama Award, and the award goes to Love Ajkal. I would love to call upon the head of mechanical department, Dr. Satish Silaskar sir, to come up on the stage and present the awards.
Ladies and gentlemen, what an incredible roller coaster of talents, emotions and laughter we have experienced today. As the Cultural Secretary, I, Prithvi Shekhar, am both honoured and thrilled to stand before you to deliver the vote of thanks for Kshitijam 2024, our spectacular annual cultural event. First and foremost, let's give a thunderous round of applause to the real stars of the evening, our performers, volunteers and the organising committee. Without your dedication, passion and countless hours of practice, Kshitijam wouldn't have been the dazzling success it is tonight. You have turned this event into a cultural carnival that has left us all in an amusement. A big shout out to our talented artists who have painted the canvas of our stage with vibrant colors of music, dance, drama and poetry. Let's not forget the backbone of any successful event, the backstage crew and the tech wizards who have made sure everything ran well like a well-oiled machine. To our sponsors, thank you for fueling our dreams with your support. Without your generosity, our cultural extravaganza wouldn't have been possible. Your belief in the power of arts is what makes events like Kshitijam thrive. A huge round of applause for our enthusiastic audience. Your energy, cheers and laughter have been the lifeblood of the event. Your presence here today has made Kshitijam not just a performance but a shared experience that we'll carry with us for a long time. Last but not the least, a heartfelt thank you to our esteemed dignitaries, faculty, staff, and the entire student body for being the pillars of support today. Your encouragement and belief in our creative endeavors motivate us to strive for excellence year after year. As we wrap up Kshitijam 2024, let's carry the spirit of today forward. May the memories we have created linger in our hearts, and may the passion for arts burn brightly within each one of us every day. After all, the past is history, the future is a mystery, but today is a gift of God. That is why it is called as the present. Thank you, and here's to more fun, laughter, and unforgettable cultural events in the years to come. I would like to call upon Mr. Abdur Rahman Bhatti as he has a surprise to reveal.
So guys, कैसा लगा Kshitijam? I will give all these cheers to my council members and all the committee who helped me. So, सबको पता रहेगा that GS can declare a holiday for one day for all the students. So, principals again So I, Abdur Rahman Bhatti, the General Secretary of NHITM, declares the holiday for all the students. Tomorrow, there will be no lectures or practicals. Thank you.